Hi Ken, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you what will be the benefit of having a website and a marketing campaign so you can be found on Google. So first things first, if I wanted to find your services, for example, um, this is the only thing that we found, and it doesn't give you any good information. So it doesn't give you any information at all, but this might be um, a bad uh, reputation, if you want to say it like that. Um, so instead of this trying to build for any new customer client, it doesn't do anything good for you. And like I said, there's no other information about you. Um, yeah. So I want to show you keywords. So how many people are searching for specific keywords that I believe are related to what you do. So I use this tool over here and uh, I pull out this general contractor New Jersey, and there's a volume of 60 searches a month, um, approximately 153 clicks. So that means that there are people, there are clients that are looking for general contractor in New Jersey. And we can see the same thing would be Edison, would be Jackson. So for Edison, there's an average of 40 searches and Jackson 20 searches. And these numbers over here reflects on what would it cost if you would be running Google Ads. So each time that somebody clicks on a Google ad, this would be the price for each one of the click that you will be paying. So keep that in consideration. The other thing, for example, New Jersey Construction Company, there's a search volume of 70 searches a month, same thing. So, and depending what you want to be found for, there's a lot of possibilities that you know we can we can show you eventually. And let's go and take a look here to a quick search for general contractor New Jersey. Like I told you, the first part is for Google Ads, and this is what I was telling you that this might cost whoever is running the campaign or the business running the campaign. If I would click here, it would cost $7 or $10, depending on the demand. Um, if you want to approach uh, this route for you to get more exposure and eventually more new potential clients, you also want to be found here. No matter what areas you cover, you want to be found here. Um, So you would know 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass through this top section. And of course, if they don't pass that, they don't even go to the second or the third page. So that this will be the map section that you might want to be in there. And also here comes the organic results. So this is position 1, 2, but you can see that these are just directories. Not everybody in the area are targeting for these specific spots. So it will be a good option for you to consider if you would have a website, you can be there. But there are little factors that you have to take in consideration before for your website if you would be going that route before you get it done. So let's take a look here at this Jamie's construction from this section that I found. So just for the purpose of this video, your homepage, uh, in order to beat them, outrank them, your homepage needs to have more content than they do. And by content, I mean words beside the images and all that stuff. But it has to be original. It has to have the proper keywords that you're going to be found for, and it has to be well written. So uh, take that in consideration. Also, the sub pages that you might have with your services and reviews and all that. Try to keep it same thing with as much content as possible because Google likes that. Google um, have an algorithm has an algorithm that can actually detect if somebody is just copying and pasting um, from other websites, and you're not going to be ranking if you do that. If we're going to see the backend of this website, um, you can see backlinks. Well, backlinks, first of all, they are other sites that are mentioned in your business or your website, and that will give you power here for the domain rating and for the URL rating. So it doesn't matter if you have thousands of links, as long as this number keeps climbing, you're in good shape. But if not, you can see these guys have over 1,200 backlinks. These numbers are really low for that uh, for this amount of backlinks, and they're being picked with 44 organic keywords. So if you would want to be competing with, uh, this is an example, um, you have to make sure that you're going to be hitting more than these numbers that they are. And I can assure you, you're going to uh, be found on those first results. But like I said, it all depends on what you want to target. Um, at the beginning, the return of the investment is not going to be as expected, but I've been working. Actually, I have a crane company that I work with, and they've been seeing results right away. So we do have the experience that takes in this field. And if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you, or if you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.